Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to send an email to a group like a newsletter, event invite, or announcement, but wanted to keep everyone's addresses private, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use BCCC in Outlook 365, step by step, so you can protect recipient privacy and send professional emails with confidence. Let's get started. First things first, what does BCC mean? BCC stands for blind carbon copy. When you put someone's email address in the BCC field, they'll receive your message just like everyone else, but their address stays completely hidden from other recipients. It's perfect for sending the same email to multiple people without sharing everyone's personal details, especially in business, schools, or community emails. To get started, open your browser and search for Outlook 365 Login. Click the official Microsoft 365 link and sign in with your email and password. Once logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From there, click Outlook or go directly to the Mail section. In your Outlook mail, hit New Mail, usually found in the top left corner. This opens your Compose window where you'll see the TOW and CC fields. Now, here's the key part. If you don't see the BCC option right away, click the ellipsis or the options button on the toolbar. Select Show BCC. A new field labeled BCC will appear right below the CC line. That's where you'll enter the addresses you want to keep private. Type the email addresses you want hidden into the BCC field. Write your subject line and main message as usual. Everything in the body is visible to everyone, but the BCC recipients remain invisible. Before hitting send, double check that all private emails are correctly placed in the BCC field. Then click send and you're done. Your message is delivered securely and discreetly. And that's it. You've just learned how to use BCC in Outlook 365 the right way in under 2 minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover more Outlook or Microsoft 365 tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.